Hi Blades family, this is Dr. Booker. I just wanted to shoot a quick little video to highlight something amazing that happened at Blades over the weekend. Our new outdoor seating was installed by a couple of our amazing Bobcat families. We just thank them for all their hard work. Our BBB approved this last week to replace our wooden log seating. They were rotted and falling apart, and it just was becoming kind of a mess. So they approved to purchase these cinder blocks and wood timbers for us to use now. So our students and staff are so excited to get out here to use them. We thank you. These are the kinds of things that the Trivia Night and our Bobcat Mile, these are the fundraising that we do this year helps give our school these things, and we just really appreciate everything you guys do. Thanks so much for all the hard work this weekend to those families who came up, and we can't wait to use them. Thanks.